Okay, now let me show you how to download and install my tutorial on Live Electronics. Let's go to github.com, Porres. This is my page on GitHub, and you can find where the source code lives from Cyclone and else. You know, you can go through the old versions because I always keep the latest version here in Gchem. And actually, sometime you probably find a new version by the time you check this out. Just don't worry, just get the new version. It will work. And here's the tutorial. I also have a version in Portuguese. This is quite old. It depends on the late PD extended and everything. And this is the new one that relies on else. Okay, so here are the releases. Let me just show you again. Maybe I'm going too fast. Here you go, releases. And just get, it will show you which version it depends on. Okay, you can just get here from the source code and just check if you have the right. Well, the latest version will always probably just rely on the latest version of else. And oh, it's already here. Let's see, just unpack. And I'm gonna go and put this inside the documents PD folder just to have things organized, all things PD live here. And I can also add this to the path. I already did it, sorry. Well, just do it again, let's go here, documents PD, there you go. And what's the advantage, you ask me? Just go here in browser and then you can find that when you have things into the path, it just shows up here. So it's kind of convenient and cool. So here there are two parts on this tutorial so far. I'm also about to write a third volume on more advanced topics. And so there are 7 parts, 4 here and 3 there. And you can also just start from scratch. If you've never opened PD in your life, you can just go here and just start from the very basic elements and syntax and how PD works. This is a very quick and straightforward tutorial. There are others that you can check, but this is just a very basic you need to know before start using PD. And then I just go into the digital audio theory, also with a quick start on how audio works inside PD, but then onto the theory on digital audio like sample rate and fold over and aliasing. So this is more of a didactic tool than, it's not a tutorial on PD, but just use PD as a powerful tool for, live electronics and digital audio and everything, all of these topics. It's rather large. It's got over 300 examples, so it's a lot of work. And it goes on, showing some basic elements. It's pretty straightforward. Like here's I just double click it, open I think I reached the limit. Oh no, okay. Yeah, there's a limit here on the browser, I guess. Maybe I should just open an issue for PD. So very basic stuff, like types of oscillator and everything. It's kind of a literacy process on all of the elements. I'm still about to write extra sections on more complex examples, but these are all very cut to the chase and straightforward. Here we have some synthesis examples, so it doesn't really get very much complex in these examples. And volume 2, I just go into some theory on FFT. This is more deep into the DSP theory here, also with the filter theory, with transfer function and everything. So I go inside some of the math, but very accessible to musicians as well. This is a very theoretical patch, just basic formula and not much going on. As in a practical example, last example here, just some carplus strong fun, but the counterpart of this tutorial is actually the help file of all these objects. So most of these are all from the else library. Here basically each one of this is just all from the else library. So you just downloaded else before. If you have here in the path, this should all work for you. This is how I do it. I do not use the namespaces inside the examples because I think it's just cleaner this way. But then here in the help file, I use the namespaces. So else is basically the only library you need. But for one example here, I have another dependency on convolution. Where is the convolution? Here. Yeah, for partition convolution, I'm using William Brandt's convolve object. See, it's not showing up because I haven't installed. So let's do it. This is also in Deakin. So let's do it. Convolve, just one. Less dependency. Here, I'm telling you how to do it and how to download, and I'm also giving you the link for William Brandt's research, and you should also check out his other objects, which are all very great. I'm actually seeing some new things I haven't seen before. Yeah, like this. No, this is new to me. I don't know if all of these are up in Deakin, but convolve is, so let's just get it. You can also get it from here and then just install manually. Okay, well, I want to add to the path, so it's added, and then it should just work. If I try to recreate the object, there you go, perfect. And so just check this tutorial out, and if you see a problem, just open an issue on GitHub here. Also, if you have a problem with else and Cyclone, you should come here and open an issue. No issues so far. Like there's been a couple that I fixed and closed. And one other thing I could do is suggest you to also check out SoundHack, which is also a cool library for PewData. Not quite right. Hack. There you go. Yeah, I uploaded this one, but it's not mine. It's from Tom Erb. It's also some very cool objects. Yep. And this is a good start for someone who's never tried PD before. You can spend a lot of time studying peer data and also having fun with these objects. There they are, all of them that we installed and everything. And well, I hope you have fun, and you can just do some comments in this video. And please subscribe to my channel. This is my first video so far. I'm still getting the hang of it. Don't really have the perfect gear yet, but I hope to continue doing these videos and so on. Thanks a lot. Bye.